He stole my wallet! Peach Horn, he stole my wallet! Peach Horn!
Hey, Peter Horndo, how's the social media going?
Hey boss, social media is going good. I keep posting these pictures of peach horn, everybody loves them, and nobody knows how I get them.
I found out I have a learning disability.
That's okay, boss. A lot of people have things that they need to overcome in life.
I've been playing Minecraft so long. I'm just that dumb.
Oh, you're not dumb. Boss, I would never work for somebody who was dumb. You're a smart guy.
Thanks, Peter Horndo. You're the real superhero. Not like that Peach Horn guy. I heard he touched someone, not an adult.
What are you talking about?
He messaged a 10-year-old on Stardew Valley.
Where did you hear this? Who said that about
My mom just texted all the details to me.
You just reminded me, boss. Unrelated to this conversation, I have an appointment I need to go to.
Alright, see you later. I wish I was smarter. Peter, I gotta tell you, I'm upset.
So, is there something you want to ask me?
Yeah, I want to tell you how upset I am.
So I get the feeling like there's something you want to say to me.
I'm upset. What's the next step?
Well,
I'm not happy. Now what?